It is holiday party time.
Our entertainment expert Limor Suss is here showing us fun and easy hosting ideas.
Okay, first of all, you have to get people there. And who wants to, you know, you've already done all the Christmas card thing. Now you're going to have to get out invitations. Do you have something easy for that?
Yes, so digital invitations. So this is so everyone always asks, you know, what site should I use? So this is a new app from Punchbowl. So you just download it on the App Store for Android or iOS. And what's great about it is you can actually text or email an invitation to someone. So sometimes I'll have someone's phone number, but I don't have their email address. Yes. So it's a really great way. So whether you're having a cookie swap, a holiday party, an ugly Christmas sweater party, and you can also add a lot of great features on there as well. So you can actually have if you're having a potluck, you can add a potluck list on there
of what to bring,
exactly.
What to wear, bring, all that good stuff.
So there are really great options. You can go to punchbowl.com for more information on that.
Sounds good.
Now decor.
Okay, this is awesome.
So I saw these and I thought they were just the cutest thing ever. And then when I started making them, everyone said they were going to make them as centerpieces. Yeah. So I have pineapple trees. So pineapples are all the rage right now.
So cool.
For Halloween, people were making them into jack-o'-lanterns. So now we made them into Christmas trees. And so what I've done here is I just got, over here you can see I made them with mini ornaments. I actually really like them with the neon ones that, because in general, I feel like pineapples are tropical, but you can actually also obviously go more traditional and do the gold and the red and the plaid. So really easy to do. All you do is get a pineapple, some ornaments. If you have some extra from your tree, and just plop it down.
For your traditional pineapple tree.
No, but my daughter was a pineapple for Halloween. Pineapples are trendy now. So this is
very
so cool.
trendy. So this is a really cool, really fun thing to do. So now a hot chocolate bar.
I love this.
Really something up, and we were saying you always like to do this for the kids. So you just do, you put out some hot cocoa, some marshmallows, peppermints, candy. You can also, if you have, I actually always like to make hot cocoa with milk. So if you have one of those frothers, you can get a frother. If not, just have some hot water. Okay. Really easy to do. But you were saying if a lot of people are over, what do we do? So you can just put one really pretty mug and then just get the styrofoam, or if you want to be environmentally friendly, you could just get the paper hot cups, and you would just put that in there, and then everyone can kind of make their own drink.
Little toppings are hilarious, peppermint and candy. It's just fun.
And it's great because you could also leave out, something like a cordial to mix in if you're the adult, so that you got both. Everyone's covered.
Exactly.
Okay.
And then people are always saying, well, what should I bring to the party? Or if I'm only buying one beer, I don't want to have a full bar. What should I bring? So this is one of my favorites. It's from Sam Adams. It's their winter lager. So it's actually great because it's really good with duck and really delicious foods, and it has really spiced. It's a spiced wheat bock. With ground cinnamon, ginger, and orange peel, and it's really, really a delicious lager for
And it's pretty.
And it goes with a lot of the things that you're going to be eating on the table. I love what you did here, by the way.
Okay, so cookie decorating, everyone does, right? But what I've done here today is pizza decorating. So all I've done is I actually got the already pre-made, pre-bought from the store. You just get the pizza crust. And then I took cookie cutters. I got 3 different kinds. So I have the tree, I have the stocking, but you can also do a mitten, and then I get a star. And then I have different sauces. So I have marinara sauce for the stocking or the mitten. I have Alfredo sauce for the star, and then I have pesto for the trees. If you wanted, you could probably get little pepperonis for ornaments.
Oh, okay.
And then you just put out some cheese. And you can either make these for your guests, or you can kind of just set them out and let people kind of make their own. And these would obviously be then in warm or crock pots or something like that. And then everyone can kind of make their own.
And they can make their own. Yeah. Okay. So you could leave it out, or you could dip it.
Exactly.
I love that the baboli thing. You didn't put that on there. That looks like little leaves, but it comes that way.
Yeah, it just comes. You can see. I mean, Kara's like, "How did you get the cheese on there?" We're like, no. This is how it came. Literally all I did was took a cookie cutter to it and just made it into a shape.
Easy.
I love it. That's a great idea.
Okay. And it's funny because when I first was going to do this, I got the pizza dough. So first I got the fresh pizza dough, then I got the Pillsbury one, and then I said, no, the easiest way to this is how we're doing it.
Yeah, that's nice and sturdy. Okay.
Exactly.
Now we've got some cheese balls. They look like little mistletoe ornaments.
Yeah, really cute. And so what you want to do here is you take a brick of cream cheese.
Okay.
To that, you're going to add a 1.5 cups of cheddar cheese, and then you add some paprika, some salt, some cayenne pepper, and green onion. If you don't want, you can just remove the green onion. And then what you do, so you roll them into balls. So you can see I have that right over here. And then you roll them into cranberries. So I just took raisins and cut them up really thinly, and then roll them inside. If you wanted to, I was just saying, because I use the orange cheddar cheese, you can do that. But next time I would probably use white, so the inside
looks like a snowball.
Looks a little bit more like a snowball, exactly. And if you wanted, you could also do chives on the outside. You can do white. and really fun and really easy to do.
And look at this. This is so simple,
Isn't that
but
cute?
red and green tortilla chips in
So
a Santa
perfect.
bowl.
Yeah, so really easy, and I just saw these red and green tortillas, and I just had to buy them just to let people know that they kind of exist. So I actually got these at Balducci's, but I know that last year I got them at Big Y. I don't know if they have them this year, but it's a great tortilla chip company, and just they look really festive. All you do is put them in a Santa bowl, and really easy to do.
And they're
All right.
just as addictive. All right, yeah,
Yes.
Karen,
Our
what's
final
going
30
on?
seconds. Look, we're making Rudolph.
We're making
love
Rudolph.
it.
So you take little Entenmann donuts. You want to get like the donuts. You just take an M&M for the nose. You take pretzels for the
Ears, antlers.
And then you take little googly eyes for the eyes. Really easy to do.
So cute.
Right, and we probably have the little googly eyes from the turkeys we made, from the Halloween things we made.
If you are going to work with Limor, just make sure you have googly eyes and cookie cutters.
Yes, yes, yes.
All right, but I love it. It's all nice and easy and very festive. So for more fun, holiday, entertaining, and craft ideas, you can check out Limor's blog. It is limorloves.com.